Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how we could set up or set serial number format in Excel. To begin, just open your Excel file. Let's let's consider that this column A, we want to use the serial number. So we will start from 1, the next one 2, and the next one 3. Now we're gonna just select these 3 digits and right click, and we can drop drag or just continue to click so that it applies to extra cells. You can also do the same way, horizontally or vertically. So again, and we can do it also on the top. In fact, it doesn't have to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be other sequence of numbers. So you can just select and apply again. You can do it for any series of numbers. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.